Pioneers of metalworking coolants, Master Fluid Solutions has led the industry with uncompromised integrity, expertise, innovative technology, and environmental awareness since 1951. Master Fluid Solutions is the world leader in aerospace-approved metalworking fluids and continues to develop its trim line of synthetic, semi-synthetic, neosynthetic, and emulsion products. Master Fluid Solutions is trusted by leading aerospace manufacturers with over 100 approvals and counting. Trim products are used to produce components found throughout an aircraft. In the engine, grinding the blades and vanes utilizes state-of-the-art synthetic coolant Trim C270, which provides excellent cooling, outstanding tramp oil rejection, and superior cleanliness. Hypersol 888 NXT is used to manufacture the discs in the engine. This versatile neosynthetic provides exceptional performance on hard aerospace metals and superior lubricity necessary for machining harder titanium and nickel alloys. Engine shafts and other components are produced with Trim Microsol 585 XT, a high lubricity semi-synthetic microemulsion. This coolant is low foaming with outstanding cooling and lubricity when turning, drilling, and tapping hard to machine alloys. Trim Microsol 590 XT is used in the production of engine rings and cases. This environmentally friendly semi-synthetic microemulsion coolant is specially formulated to pass aerospace approval test requirements. To manufacture the main gear piston in the landing gear, Trim OE315NS is utilized. This heavy-duty meat-cutting oil is formulated using renewable vegetable esters. It's designed for use in very tough machining operations of heat-treated steels and ensures a long tool life. A European Tier 1 manufacturer of landing gear pins and links increased their tool life by 234% with Trim Hypersol 888 NXT. A US-based aircraft components manufacturer saw a 50% reduction in coolant spend by switching to Trim Microsol 590 XT. An aerospace manufacturer created an estimated 30% reduction in coolant-related costs year over year with Trim Microsol 585 XT. Trim Microsol 590 XT reduced coolant usage by 50% and saved an aircraft components manufacturer over $500,000 in coolant costs annually. Our latest technology fluids are approved by all major aerospace OEMs. Our Microsol fluid technology runs cleaner with lower carry-off when compared to other common aerospace-approved products on the market. Longer sump life and lower carry-off yield significantly lower product usage over time. Our lower product usage and inherent recyclability lower product disposal costs. Our cleaner running products yield drier chips in the bin, increasing chip value. The trim products shown in this video are for example purposes only, but they're great examples of how these metalworking fluids can improve your aerospace manufacturing operation. Master Fluid Solutions has a wide range of products available within its portfolio with multiple approved products that can be used for each aircraft part. Speak to a district sales manager today to find out more.